Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, hello. This is to introduce Scratch to you. A lot of things here. So starting in Google Classroom, I've provided two links for you. One link, the first one, will take you to Scratch's homepage. I'm already logged in, but you'll need to log in. Let's say we were signed out. You would probably have to go to Join Scratch, or to quickly get started, let's just click on Create. Okay. Additionally, we want to go back into Google Classroom and look at our directions down here. Click on Link. Okay, and let's see what it tells us. Okay, we're under the sea. That's today's objective. So it introduces step by step by what to do, but since I already know what we're doing, just watch what I'm doing here. Okay, so we have a brand new project. This is a tutorial box that might pop up. I'm going to close it. If you need it again, you just click the question mark and it'll come back, and this might help you out. Okay, but today we just want to get our sprite to move. So if we don't like that, we can right click on it and delete. Or we can go get a brand new sprite. And let's say we picked this one and clicked OK. No, I don't like that one. We can take the scissors, which is delete, and we can just clip her out. So that's how you get rid of sprites and get new ones. So I'm going to click on animals. I want the flying cat instead. Click OK. Now we want to control this cat. So in module 1, to control the cat, we want to move it left and right. So we need one space key pressed and move 10 steps. So events. When space keys pressed, we're going to drag that out onto the space. And then what motion is it going to do? We're going to move 10 steps. Okay, so when I hit my space bar, we can see it move. It only moves one space at a time. Okay, and if I keep hitting it, eventually it's going to go off the page and I'm going to lose it. So let's drag it back. Okay, now we can put it anywhere on the page and hit space bar and it's going to move those 10 steps forward. Okay, now let's see what else we can do with it. It says add a forever block to make a continuous movement. Insert the block if on edge bounce to stop your sprite from disappearing. Okay, so where is my forever block? I think it's under control. There it is, forever. We want to snap that right there. Okay, so if this was out, you can see it just goes under that little edge. Okay, now when we have, what color is it? When we have if on edge bounce, it's that blue color. So we have to go back to blue, motion, and find if on edge bounce. It's down here at the bottom. Okay, so put that under move 10 blocks or above, doesn't matter. Okay, now when I hit spacebar, it's going to go forever. Okay, you have a infinitely moving cat. Okay, now to finish up this opening segment, let's add a couple more things. Click the stop sign to make it stop. Okay, and it's going to want us to add a couple other things. Okay, select 2 fish underwater sprites from the library. Add wait 1 second, so we're going to add this little segment down here. Okay, so let's find our fish. You're going to go to the new sprite thing right here. Underwater's on the left-hand side near the bottom. And you can pick whatever fish you want. There's one. If I go to new sprite again, underwater, there's my second sprite, or third. All right. Now this time, I want to program the shark, so I need to click on the shark down here. You can see the shark is selected, not the cat, not the diver, the shark. Okay, so go to events, and space key pressed. Now we already have a space key, so if I want to just control the shark, let's do up arrow. Okay, so to control the cat, I press the space bar. To control the shark, I press the up arrow. Okay, we're going to change the y coordinate. So y coordinate moves the shark up and down. Okay, so I'm going to click on motion, change y by 10. So when I push the up arrow now, shark moves up, up, but we don't want him to go off the page, so let's control him. That would be motion, if on edge, bounce. Okay, so he's going to get stuck on the edge of the page. He can't go any further than that. That's going to block him. Okay, we can also make the shark move continuously by adding the forever block, which is under, I think it's under control. There it is, forever. There we go. And now when I press up, he's still getting stuck. So let's stop him for a moment. How can I make him bounce the way the cat was bouncing when I press the space bar? Let's see what's different with the cat. So let's stop the cat. Okay, we had the cat move 10 steps, not change the Y. So if I wanted the shark to bounce all over the place, the way that the cat does, let's get rid of change Y by 10. To delete it, you just drag it back in here, and it goes away. Move 10 steps. So when I press up, now the shark is going to bounce all over the place, not in a straight direction. Okay, let's stop that. Okay, last thing I want to teach you guys is how to add a background. Of course, you could program the diver to move a certain way, but for sake of time, let's just show you how to add a diver. So you click on Stage Backdrop, and down here there's a little picture button. Click on that. There's also an underwater segment over here. Click on that. And to add your backdrop, choose it, click OK, and all of a sudden you have your backdrop. So if I press spacebar and I press my up key, all of a sudden we have an underwater cat and a very, very awkward shark. That's it.